Hey guys, I'm going to be making teriyaki beef stir fry today. I found some thinly sliced beef at my local Walmart a little bit ago and I froze it so I can make it later today. So go ahead and chop up your beef nice and thin. I just seasoned it with a little bit of salt and pepper because most of the flavor will be coming from the sauce that we're going to let cook with the meat. So go ahead, just season a little bit, just a pinch, just to your liking, and then go ahead and mix it together. We want to make sure that all the beef is, seasoned. While that's going on, go ahead and bring to a light boil a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You're also going to want 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, a 2, and 2 teaspoons of minced ginger. Slap it on in there. There you go. Nice. Okay, and you're also going to want 1 tablespoon of honey. You can use a little mini spatula or spoon to help you dig it out, because honey bee kind of stays in there. And 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. So you want to bring this to a light, not boil, I guess I shouldn't have said boil, but a light simmer. And then once that's done, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of water and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch mixed together. But that'll be later, not right now. You want to let it heat up and everything mixed together. Everyone's going to get friendly. While that's going on, go ahead and add your vegetables. I just have a frozen bag of vegetables. So I like to turn my skillet up hot so it can sear it a little bit better, because even though I let them thaw during the day, they don't get the sear as easily as fresh vegetables because, they're frozen. So go ahead and let that happen. I season mine just with a little bit of salt and pepper as well, because I don't want the vegetables to be bland. They will also be cooking in the sauce a little bit, but I just like to do that. Go ahead. I would like, personally, those kind of char grill, whatever marks. Once those are done cooking to your liking, go ahead and add the beef. This will cook pretty quickly because it is thin and the pot was already hot. So keep an eye on it. Just kind of flip it around. We don't want the beef to get dry. But I did a pretty good job at not getting dry. It was pretty good. So when you're almost done cooking through, go ahead and add the vegetables back in and go ahead and add the sauce back in. I like to do that so it cooks in the sauce. I feel as though it helps the beef not to burn as well. And I think it adds a lot of flavor since it's cooking in there, not just quickly add it. Go ahead and mix it together. I'm using a whisk for whatever reason, which I'm like, what the bug? And there you go. Go ahead and mix it together, and you're gonna want to let it simmer a little bit. I already added the cornstarch and water mixture to my soy sauce, my teriyaki sauce. You can kind of see that the texture or the appearance is a little more of a light brown instead of a dark brown. So you're gonna want to let it kind of sit together, bubble a little bit, and you can already see that it's thickening. So just keep on mixing it. Really they all want to become friends. Let's get friendly, Let's make them all friendly in the pot. And there you have it. Super good teriyaki beef stir fry. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.